What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, artificial intelligence is completely transforming how ordinary people invest their money? Not just Wall Street elites, everyday investors like you and me. Welcome to Capital Course, where we explore how technology is democratizing finance. I'm your guide through this revolution, and today we're diving into how AI is fundamentally changing personal investing in 2025, and why it matters to your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how AI is reshaping investing, which tools are worth your time, and how to position yourself to benefit from this technological shift. Let's get started. Did you know that over 70% of financial institutions are now using AI in some capacity? Or that AI-managed assets have grown by 300% in just the last 3 years? We're witnessing a seismic shift in how money moves through our economy. Here on Capital Course, we cut through the jargon and hype to show you exactly how technology is changing finance, and more importantly, how you can use these changes to build wealth more effectively than ever before. Whether you're just starting to invest or looking to optimize your existing portfolio, this channel is your roadmap to navigating the intersection of technology and personal finance. Let's start with a quick history lesson. Investing has evolved through several major phases. First came traditional brokers and financial advisors, charging hefty fees to manage your money. Then came discount brokers in the 90s and 2000s, reducing costs but still requiring you to make most decisions yourself. Next, robo-advisors emerged around 2010, offering algorithm-based portfolio management at lower costs. But now, in 2025, we're entering a fourth phase: truly intelligent investing platforms that leverage advanced AI to do things that were impossible just a few years ago. Today's AI systems don't just follow programmed rules. They learn, adapt, and make increasingly sophisticated decisions. They can analyze millions of data points across global markets in real time, detect patterns invisible to human analysts, personalize investment strategies based on your unique goals and risk tolerance, continuously adjust to changing market conditions, and process alternative data sources like social media sentiment and satellite imagery. The result: more accessible, more personalized, and potentially more profitable investing for everyday people. Let's break down the key AI technologies reshaping investing right now. First, machine learning algorithms. These form the backbone of modern investment AI, allowing systems to improve their performance over time without explicit programming. For example, JP Morgan's LOXM system analyzed billions of past trades to learn optimal execution strategies, reducing costs for both the bank and its clients. Next, natural language processing, or NLP. This technology allows AI to understand human language, opening up entirely new data sources. Modern investment platforms can now scan millions of news articles, earnings calls, and social media posts to gauge market sentiment and predict price movements before they happen. Computer vision is another game changer. These systems can analyze visual data like satellite imagery of retail parking lots, shipping containers, or construction sites to predict company performance before it's reported. Finally, reinforcement learning allows AI to optimize trading strategies through trial and error. These systems can simulate thousands of market scenarios to develop robust approaches that adapt to different conditions. Together, these technologies are creating investment capabilities that would have seemed like science fiction just a decade ago. So how can you, as an individual investor, harness this technology? Let's look at the AI investment tools that are actually accessible today. First, next-generation robo-advisors. Platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment have evolved far beyond simple portfolio allocation. Their latest offerings include AI tax optimization, personalized financial planning, and adaptive risk management. Next, AI-powered research platforms. Tools like Kahoot and AlphaSense use machine learning to help you identify investment opportunities and analyze potential risks, giving you capabilities previously available only to professional analysts. We're also seeing AI trading assistants emerge. These tools don't replace your decision-making but enhance it with data-driven insights and pattern recognition that humans simply can't match. Perhaps most exciting are the new personalized investment co-pilots. Rather than one-size-fits-all approaches, these AI systems learn your specific goals, preferences, and risk tolerance to create truly customized strategies. The most advanced platforms are now integrating with your broader financial life, connecting to your banking, billing, and budgeting to create holistic financial management powered by AI. But it's not all smooth sailing. We need to address some important limitations and risks of AI investing. First, algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from historical data, which can perpetuate existing inequalities or flawed assumptions. The best platforms work actively to identify and eliminate these biases, but it remains a concern. Next, black box decision-making. Many AI systems can't explain their reasoning, making it difficult to evaluate their recommendations. Look for platforms that prioritize transparency and explainability. Market anomalies are another challenge. When unusual events occur, like pandemic shutdowns or geopolitical shocks, AI may struggle with scenarios it hasn't encountered before. Finally, over-reliance is perhaps the biggest risk. AI should complement human judgment, not replace it. The most successful investors use AI as a powerful tool while maintaining their own critical thinking. So where's all this headed? Here are the key trends to watch. Hybrid advisory models combining AI analysis with human oversight are becoming the gold standard, offering the best of both worlds. Blockchain integration is allowing for more transparent and efficient AI investing systems, particularly for alternative assets. Democratization of sophisticated strategies continues, with tools previously available only to hedge funds becoming accessible to everyday investors. And perhaps most importantly, personalization is intensifying. The future of investing isn't one-size-fits-all AI, it's AI that adapts specifically to your unique financial situation and goals. Here's what you can do today to position yourself for this AI investing revolution. Start exploring the platforms we've discussed to find what fits your needs. Begin with a small portion of your portfolio to test AI recommendations. Focus on transparency. Choose tools that explain their decisions. Develop your own AI literacy to be a more informed user of these technologies. The AI revolution in investing isn't coming, it's already here. And in our next video, we'll show you exactly what happened when we let AI manage $1,000 for 30 days, with real results and insights you won't want to miss. If you found this valuable, please subscribe to Capital Course and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming content on navigating the future of finance and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we put AI investing to the test with real money on the line.